In the next 3 minutes and 45 seconds, I'm going to take you through a typical Tuesday. I'm going to show you how daily time can be understood as a composition, and I'm going to tell you why that matters for health. Okay, let's start my Tuesday. It's midnight, I'm asleep, and I sleep peacefully right the way through until my alarm goes off at 7 a.m. I wake up, do various self-care activities like showering, dressing, having that all-important coffee, then I'm out the door. I walk to work, thinking about all the interesting science I'm going to do that day, and that takes half an hour. Then once at work, for simplicity's sake, let's say I sit down and work continuously for the next 8 hours. Once I'm done there, I leave work and walk home again, and that takes another half an hour. Once home, I'm feeling energetic, so I jump on the stationary bike and train for an hour. Now for 3 hours of screen time. I start out reading The Guardian, but inevitably end up looking at funny cat videos. And that done, I eat, shower, do chores, and get myself ready for the next day. Then finally, I'm back in bed, sleeping right through till midnight and ending my Tuesday. So there you have it. That's my Tuesday from midnight to midnight. So why does this matter? It matters because every minute of every day I'm doing something that affects my health. For example, let's look at my day in terms of energy expenditure. We can break it down into 4 categories: sleep, sedentary time, that's work and screen time, light physical activity, that's showering, dressing and other self-care activities, and moderate to vigorous physical activity, that's walking and a stationary bike. There's evidence to suggest that physical activity is good for me, sleep is good for me up to a point, but sedentary time isn't so good. So my day comprises a mixture of activities that are both harmful and helpful. And this mixture of different activities can be conceptualized as a composition. A composition is comprised of components that sum to a whole. So here's my day as a composition that sums to 24 hours. But as I described, I can also group activities, in this case by energy expenditure. So now we have the component sleep, 9 hours, sedentary time, 11 hours, light physical activity, 2 hours, and moderate to vigorous physical activity, 2 hours. The critical feature of a composition is that it is bounded. I've only got 24 hours in every day, and so does everyone else. So my composition is bounded at 24 hours. This means the components of my day are dependent on each other, and they exist relative to each other. If I need to do some other stuff in my day, I can't just add that time on. Maybe I want to do some more physical activity, and that's good for my health. But perhaps I need to stay late at work, which is sedentary time. Now I have to make a trade-off. I have to displace time from somewhere else. And it's important to know what is displaced because this has health implications too. So we study the whole composition to best understand the relationship between behaviour and health.